Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, so here's the first box. Do you remember from my last pen haul video, I teased you with 2 boxes and this being one of them. So let's reveal to you what it is. Okay, now although I actually tease you with these boxes, now it'd be interesting to know whether some people, because I do occasionally when I'm actually out there looking for pens, I do occasionally see a box like this, and as soon as I see the box, I think, wow, is that a such a thing? And then I go and have a look. It happened to me recently. As I say, I saw a box. In fact, I think it was not this particular pen, but this particular manufacturer. I saw the box from a little distance and I thought, oh, I wonder if that's and it actually was. So it's nice to actually be able to recognise boxes only. It does have a benefit. So, did anybody recognise this particular box? Yes, no, maybe. Okay, well, not to give you a clue, but if we turn it straight over, turn it the right way up, there you go. Can you guess what it is now? Hey, yes, it's a Yard O Led. So let's take the inner box from the outer box. I'm just looking at the end here. It says content. It doesn't actually tell you what it is, unfortunately. Some of them do, some of them don't, but there you go. We've got now the inner box. Now, I need to warn you. I know, well, you know, maybe I'm more of a fountain pen person. I need to warn you, it's not a fountain pen, but it's a Yard O Led, and it's a gorgeous Yard O Led. Okay, so in my opinion, I've got a little bit of a, well, yeah, you know, I do like the Yard O Leds. I've got a couple of the ballpoints, pencils, some of the rare ones in my own collection. This one, yeah, I'll be looking for a new home for this one. So, as always, you people know what to do. So, it comes in this black box, as you can see, this lovely wooden box like so. The hinge is there. It's got this lovely little clasp on the front. So if we lift that clasp up, open it up like so, and inside you've got this smooth lining to the back. It says Yard O Led. Inside you get, there you go, Yard O Led, solid silver writing instrument, handcrafted in England. So let's take that handcrafted instrument out. To the back here, you get this lovely Yard O Led. It's like a leather case, a single pen or pencil case. And then if we lift up the back like so, the inside here lifts out, and underneath here, there we go, we've got the Yard O Led instructions. Okay, there we go, of the pencil, and presumably it's got everything, ballpoint pen and presumably fountain pen, I'm not too sure, but there you go. You've got the guarantee leaflet inside. So let's pop that to the top there. Let's pop the little leather case inside, along with this lovely polishing cloth, as you can see there. We'll pop that to one side, and let's bring on the ballpoint pen. Yes, in most circumstances, what we would do would say ballpoint pen, pen, but in this particular case, no, we don't, because it's absolutely gorgeous. And what we've got is a Yard O Led, as you know. Now, I believe this particular model is called the Regent. As I said, it's a ballpoint pen. As I said, I believe it's called the Regent. Now, I've seen the Regent in hexagonal shaped pens. I've not actually seen one like this that is just rounded. Okay, so if anybody can give us any further information, it would all be useful to us, because we're always learning on this channel and we all want further information. Okay, so as we said, Yard O Led Regent. Now what I'm going to do, because I feel it needs a close-up just to have a look at some of the finer details. Okay, so let's go close up. So here we have it, a close-up. First of all, let's show you the pattern. Now the pattern is, it's very tiny, sort of, if you like, triangle shaped pattern. Okay, to the front there, the cone, you can see it's a plain cone. Then we've got this, as I say, this pattern of tiny triangles. And then to the barrel, there you go, you've got, I'm not sure if it's the right way up. Is that the right way up? I'm not particularly sure again, but what we've got is, we've got YOL for Yard O Led, we've got the anchor for Birmingham, the lion passant to tell us it's silver, we've got the letter V, date letter, which I believe is 1995, and then we've got two separate 925 logos or hallmarks, as you can see there. Okay, so that's the hallmarks to the barrel. Then we've got this little section here, we've got this lovely sort of like a band, we've got the very recognizable Yard O Led clip. It's like this ski slope style clip, riveted. It's got the number 8229 to the top of the clip, and then to the center we've got Yard O Led. Once again, very nice indeed. And then we've got the cap section, which again has got these small tiny diamond pattern. We've got a cartouche there, which is blank, and then if we turn it round slightly, there you go. Once again, we've got some hallmarks. I'm not sure, can't see. Is it 925? We've got the letter V, and I think the lion passant as well to the cap section. And then if we go up to the top of the cap there, you can see just underneath that top lip there, it says made in England. So very nice indeed. So yes, made in England. And for you people that watch my channel regular, you'll know it's made in England, in Birmingham, because I had the pleasure of actually visiting their factory and I had a superb day. So made in England. Okay, so there we have it. Let's get back to our normal setting. Okay, so that was a close-up and we looked at some of the details of this gorgeous Yard O Led Regent ballpoint pen in gorgeous condition. The size of it, from the top of the cap there to the bottom of the cone, is 130 millimeters in length. Around the barrel, it's around about 9 millimeters in diameter. Okay, so an absolutely gorgeous pen. As it says, it's in sterling silver, so it's got a lovely weight to it as well. So anybody in the boardroom using this particular pen, I'm sure your colleagues will be giving you a jealous glance. Actually, in fact, there's a piece of paper here. If I just turn this for you, there we go. And what we've got is a Yard O Led made in England. And as we said a little bit earlier, I believe it was made in 1995 because it has the letter or the date letter V. But as you can see, it's writing very nicely indeed. So there we have it. An absolutely stunning, well, as we say, fountain pen, then it's not. A stunning ballpoint pen, the Yard O Led Regent ballpoint pen. Superb and a stunning example. So, I hope you've enjoyed looking at this ballpoint as much as I enjoy it. Showed it to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Give the video a thumbs up if you will. Don't forget to subscribe as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this gorgeous ballpoint pen. Bye-bye for now.